Dakar. After a pretty eventful arrival yesterday, I'm here and I'm kind of feeling almost like sedated. Like I had an adrenaline overdose or something last night, but I'm here. I'm waiting for the passer to come and pick me up and take me to land, so I'll go to police and check in, get some money, and get some credit for the phone and all that, and then I can communicate, and then get back here and get some stuff done, talk to Arona. Anyways, it's just like the weirdest feeling now. It's like the low after the high. All right, come on now. Snap out of it. So yesterday I got a bunch of stuff done. Today I brought down my Genoa to bring to Diego to fix it up. I'm listening to radio. It's a great way to get yourself familiarized with what's going on in the country that you come to. Listen to the radio. And so far I'm not disappointed. I love this African vibe, man. And yeah, yesterday I got some groceries. Expensive, man. You know, took the train over there so I could do it more cheaply after being at the police, and then I had to go to the customs. It's all of the slight administrative affair, kind of like dodging fish in that spit, getting around them anyways. And then I got a ride back from this dude from the train station because my grocery bag was heavy. It's about a kilometer to walk to here. So this kid offered me a ride. He wanted me to give him 4,000 CFA. It's like $5. I'm like, nah. 1,000. He's like, no, 2,000. I'm like, no. I'm like, dude, you got a bike. Man, it's dangerous and everything. You know, and I'm not going very far. He didn't really know where it was. Turns out it wasn't far. He was happy to bring me with a blast. And he accepted me 1,000 CFA or $1.50. Good tunes, huh? I'm gonna go to the yacht club and bring over the sail if I see Sanyo, the passer guy, man, because that thing sail's too big to go on my dinghy.
Diego a analysé les choses. Qu'est-ce que tu penses?
Ouais.
Raconte-moi ce qu'on va faire là.
Ouais. Là, on va changer complètement la bande en cuivre. On va remettre un bout pour la bande de rattrapage de creux. Coudre la laisse qui est défaite. Ensuite, faire pareil sur les laises en haut. Ensuite, enlever la bande en bas et puis laver la voile pour lui redonner sa forme normale. Ok, super. Donc on va changer le nerf de la bordure et le nerf de chute. On va changer tous les deux. On va faire du neuf. Super. Et ça sera une voile aussi qui va repartir encore pour 10 ans.
Tu crois?
Oui. Ouais, sincèrement.
Sérieux? Elle a l'air un peu vieille et tout,
non, c'est juste ça qui l'a bloqué, qui l'a déformé, mais tu vas voir, quand je vais défaire, on va la nettoyer et on va leur redonner la forme normale avant de reposer la bande. Et elle va repartir encore pour 10 ans. Ça, c'est moi qui te le garantis.
This is one of the main reasons I came back here, to get my sails repaired. I don't have the budget to simply order new sails, you know? And here, people don't just replace things, they fix things. And I was impressed by Diego's professionalism and his savoir faire. He has decades of experience, the materials, and a family to feed.
This piece is all bunched up in the Genoa, and it's supposed to help furl the Genoa. And it had come loose and it all falling down inside. Diego's gonna straighten it out with some hot water and put it back in. I knew there was something wrong with that. Now that's what I call a traffic jam, man. Jeez. I'm walking down a road here to go to a bank machine that works. There's one closer but it doesn't work, always. So it's about a kilometer walk, and I was gonna borrow somebody's bike. Now I'm glad I didn't with all this traffic. This kid I just met, Scottish kid, he just got hit by a motorcycle on his bike. Cool kid. He bicycled from Scotland all the way down here. Up to meet him. Maybe we'll do an interview with him. He might sail with me to Cape Verde. Well, right here on the street. It's cool. And here is the entrance to the yacht club. Pretty peaceful here. A little haven of calm and quiet. It's over there, man, the industrial area. Woo! Busy, busy, busy. I went to the bank to get a deposit for Diego for the work he's starting to do, so I got him 200,000 CFA, African francs. That's half of the bill. That's about 300 bucks. It's well worth it. He's really doing an amazing job.
As well, I like to see and feel where my modest earnings go to. My philosophy is to do what I do best and let others do what they do best. Me, I sail, travel, and make videos. And meet people like Chantal here. This is maybe when I wish I had hair. Then again, now. Then there's this young Scottish stud who took me out for a local bite to eat.
Here with Thorfinn.
What's up, guys?
Hanging out in this place, just, eating food here, brought me down here and some street food. I'm recovering from his broken rib. I think you'll feel it tonight when he's sleeping in his tent. It's pretty cool. We ate some dip, drinking some café tubab, and hanging out here with the crew.
It's a segue spot, hey?
So we ate right back there, man. It was good. Don't really know what we ate, actually, right?
I mean, it was rice and something.
It was rice and some chunks of meat and some really hot powder that was, yeah.
Well, it disguised the taste for me, but...
Thorfinn got another baguette full of stuff, I don't know.
Careful. Careful and cheap.
Okay, it's time to go back. I told you my stove just fell to one side while I was crossing over here, and I figured out why. This piece here was holding it on the left side of it, and look, it just broke. So I'm gonna see if the welder can weld it back on. I'm gonna bring in both. First, I think I gotta clean it. Pretty disgusting. Should have been done a long time ago, but look at that. It is disgusting, man. That's definitely the kind of project that you take a couple of wee tugs of this and just get lost into the cleaning and taking it apart. Look. Well, there we go. All cleaned up. So dirty for so long. The stove pit has never been so clean, man. Check it out. Alright. Now I can take the side panels to yellow and hopefully you can weld the pieces back on.
So this is my hood. This is where I came to eat lunch most days. I learned about the different Senegalese dishes. And to my surprise, me and my stomach loved them. They had a TV with sometimes local news or cool Afrobeat music videos or Senegalese wrestling. Man, look at this stuff. This is intense. These are athletes, man. They are badasses.
Ça c'est Vadou. He runs a little store right across the street from CVD. Il a un petit magasin là qui vend un bon café toubab. This is a café toubab. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le café toubab?
Il y a des épices.
Et du café.
Oui.
C'est très bon. So there's spices and coffee. It's really good. Very sweet. And he also is waiting for delivery of some French bread. Des baguettes. On attend des baguettes.
On attend les baguettes.
The great thing about CVD Yacht Club is all the professionals at hand. This is Yellow, the welder. He took on my stove problem and solved it immediately. Cost about 30 bucks. I mean, I'd love to learn to weld, but I don't have the time. Well, maybe someday.
J'ai mis un axe dedans.
Ouais,
Et l'axe, je l'ai fait sortir par là,
ouais.
avec les deux rondelles,
Ouais.
une là et l'autre là.
Ça sera plus solide comme
Ouais,
ça.
c'est ça,
Ouais.
solide. Et j'ai recoulé la rondelle avec la plaque.
Oh, that felt good. Well, looks like Yalo did a good job. Now I just need to put the oven back together. Got myself a fresh baguette. What's cool about the being in Senegal is get the little French touch, and you have like some of these little Frenchy things. Yum. All right, let's get to work. Let's put this oven back together. Little stove is back in. Yellow did an awesome job. Well done, Jado. It's gonna hold great.
Alors Alphonse et moi, il m'a fait un joli petit tour.
On est là quoi, en train de manger le gilet, de boire le gilet du temps. Tranquillement.
Et on attend notre repas.
Ouais.
Repas de midi. En attendant, Inch'Allah, ouais. En attendant, on a fait tout un tour du quartier là, c'était très sympa, on était voir ça. La petite dame là, c'était comment son nom?
Qui là?
La dame qui nous a donné ça.
Ah, qui
La vieille.
la vieille là, ça s'appelle Fatou.
Fatou. On a vu Fatou. On a donné du jus, après on était à l'usine de poissons.
On a vu encore démonter une hélice de qui là?
Ah ouais, on a vu démonter une hélice.
De bateau.
Ouais. Puis Alphonse a essayé de faire du business, mais c'est difficile.
Ouais, c'est difficile parce que les gens ne touchent pas les poches. Les gens ne payent pas quoi.
Thanks for coming aboard Galopine Winded Voyage. This is our studios. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community there. We've got a lot of cool extra perks this year, like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron Graham started a WhatsApp chat that he aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and we can talk and chat uncensored, say whatever we want, and discuss anything. And it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. Or you can watch for free on YouTube. Just make sure to give us a like or dislike or leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along on Winded Voyage, man.